Hello and welcome to today's episode of Tony's Tech Tuesday. And today we're going to be going over the stem lock adjustment for the Campo. Over time, overuse, they can loosen up a little bit. Easiest way to tell, it'll flap around like that. You'll also notice there's some kind of looseness. You can see the gap coming in there. So that's telling you that it's loose and it needs to be adjusted. You would unlock it, and then the mechanism, instead of being underneath here, is right here. So what you're gonna need to do first is you're gonna loosen up this retaining bolt or locking bolt with a 2.5 millimeter Allen. Just loosen it, you don't have to remove it. So we've got it opened up, and you're gonna take your 7 millimeter wrench and you're gonna turn this bar that the secondary lock slides on, and it's got the 6-sided shape to it. You're going to turn it relative to the stem. If I'm standing in front of the stem, you are going to turn it clockwise. Just like this, okay? And then we're gonna close it and test it. And we're just gonna keep going until we've got it nice and tight. Almost. I would say one more little turn like that. And then right now I'm getting some resistance there, and then when I close it all the way, get that nice pop. Not loose anymore. No looseness on the stem. Can't get that gap to open anymore when it's locked. So now we've got it nice and tight. We're gonna lock it back up by putting that 2 millimeter Allen back in there and screwing that retaining bolt or locking bolt in just until you get a little bit of resistance, and that's it. That is how you adjust the Campo stem.